Eat dip for dinner with creamy spinach, artichoke, and chicken stew. Enjoying a creamy spinach, artichoke, and chicken stew with dip for dinner sounds like a delicious and satisfying meal. Here's a simple recipe for this stew. Creamy spinach, artichoke, and chicken stew. Ingredients: 1/5 lbs boneless, skinless chicken breasts, cut into bite-sized pieces. 1 tablespoon olive oil. 1 onion, finely chopped. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 can 14 artichoke hearts, drained and chopped. 1 package 10 frozen chopped spinach, thawed and drained. 1 can 14 diced tomatoes, undrained. 1 cup chicken broth. 1 cup heavy cream. A ½ cup grated Parmesan cheese. Salt and pepper to taste. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon dried thyme. A ½ teaspoon red pepper flakes optional. Instructions: in a large pot or Dutch oven, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened. Add the minced garlic and cook for an additional 1–2 minutes until fragrant. Add the bite-sized chicken pieces to the pot and cook until brown on all sides. Stir in the chopped artichoke hearts, thawed and drained spinach, diced tomatoes, chicken broth, heavy cream, Parmesan cheese, salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, and red pepper flakes if using. Bring the mixture to a simmer, then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for about 15–20 minutes, allowing the flavors to melt and the chicken to cook through. Taste and adjust the seasoning if necessary. Serve the creamy spinach, artichoke, and chicken stew in bowls. You can enjoy it on its own or with a side of bread or crackers. For the dip, you might consider a classic spinach and artichoke dip, a hummus dip, or even a tzatziki dip. Whichever you choose, it will complement the stew nicely. Enjoy your delicious dinner.